Now we'll see exercise multiples and factors in this. So we have already seen that the divisibility by 2, divisibility by 5, 10, 3, like that, the condition, okay, or we can say the rule, the divisibility test rule, okay. So we already know that find the number which are divisible by 2. The divisibility rule 2 is the last digit. If this is the last digit, this must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, okay, the last digit. So therefore find the number which are divisible by 2, write the reason for the numbers which are not divisible is asking, okay. Now very simple. So this is divisible because 8 is there in the last. It is not divisible because 5 is there. 5 is an odd number. See, all these are the even numbers, you can say, right? Now this is divisible, this is divisible, this is not divisible, this is divisible, okay. So therefore the reason you can write, how we can write, for example, B is, write the reason for the number which are not divisible. B 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, okay. B last digit is what? B. Why it is not divisible? Because the units place is has 5 about, then next what? Next units place 5 is there. Next A, B, C, D, E. In E the units place is 3. Here the units place has 3. That means here in the units place, here this is 5, and for this the units place is 3. So but we want either 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8. So because 3 is there, it is not divisible by this thing. And next what? That's all. Only 2 are not divisible. This is not divisible by 2 and this is not divisible by 2. Because it is, why it is not divisible by 2 means the last units place as 5, right? Next 5, and in the second for B it is 5, for E it is 3. Next, find the numbers which are divisible by 5 and 10. 5 and 10 is asking. Write the reason the numbers which are not divisible. What is the rule for 5 and 10? 5 and 10 divisible. 5, if the last digit is 0, this is divisible by 5 and 10. When the last digit is 0, this can be any numbers. Okay, like this last must be 0. So then it is divisible by 5 and 10. So if it is to be divisible by 5, only the number which are only 5 means the last digit will be either 0 or 5. 0 or 5. What should be the second problem? Here again I will explain. So if here 0 is there, this is divisible by both 5 and 10, right? If it is 5 in the last place, and these numbers can be anything, 5 in the last, then this is divisible by only 5 but not with 10, means 10 will not divide. only 5 divides, 10 with 1 divides, right? That is. Now come back here. So which are divisible? Both 5 and 10. That means the last digit must be simply 0. The numbers are divisible by both by 5 and 10. Okay, because 5 and 10 means this is divisible by 5 and 10. This is divisible by 5 only. And this is divisible by 5 only. This is divisible by both 5 and 10. Okay. The reason why, write the reason for which the numbers which are not divisible. This is divisible, this is divisible, this is divisible. So these are divisible by both 5 and 10. Now these are divisible by only 5. Only 5, but not 10. Okay. Now next, leftover is only this one. This is neither divisible by 5 nor 10, right? Therefore, what we can say? BDHJ. 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 They are divisible by what? Both 5 and 10. Next, what are they? C E G I I C G sorry L. What C E C E C E G I L. L are divisible by only 5, right? A is what? 3568. Is not divisible by 5 or 10. Why? Because units place has 8. What is the units place? It has 8. Therefore, it is not divisible by this thing. And this we have seen here, 5 and 10. Why means it told you already, because this thing, right? Reason we told you. And what about the next one? The numbers below are divisible by 5. Fill in the blanks with a suitable number. Very simple here. See, the numbers are divisible by 5. Fill the blank with suitable. So, in order to divisible by 5, here this should be what? 0 or 5. 0. Here 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay, or you can keep 5 also, or what we can keep, if this is don't want, you can put here 5. So that means in the last digit either you put 5 or 0, means we can keep here 5, 5, 5, 5. So the numbers below are divided by 5 means the last digit is either 0 or 5. Next, fourth, write 5 numbers which are divisible by 2 and 5. As it is very simple. 2 and 5. 2 and 5 divisible means last digit must be 0. That's why. So therefore we can write what, any number you can write, 200, 500, 650, 750, 950, so on. So many. All these are divisible by both 5 and 10. Next, problem 5. Write any 5 which are exactly divisible by 2. Okay. Oh, this we made. Sorry. Here. So here 2 and 5 means either 0. 0 must be there. 2 and 5. Okay. 0. Therefore, this means. If we take here only, here 5 means it is divided only 5 but not with 2. That's the reason here there must be 0. So now you can check all these are divisible by 2. Anything you take, it will divisible by 2. Now, fifth one. Write any 5 numbers which are exactly by 2, 5 and 10. 2, 5 means which are the numbers which are divisible by 2, 5 automatically divisible by 5. So therefore, what is 5 answer? This is 4 answer. Same, all these which are divisible by which are divisible by 2 and 5 also divisible by 10. Therefore 200, 500, 600, 750 and 950 are divisible by both 2, 5 divisible right. We'll stop here.